I've been a Gan Chev customer since I was a small child with my parents coming into the dealership.
It's been, I think, 9 vehicles from Gan Chev in the last 15, 20 years. I couldn't ask for anything better. It's a great experience.
Our children both now come to Gan and they both purchase their vehicles here. The service is phenomenal.
I like that they're easy to get a hold of, easy to book an appointment. They don't overcharge, and they also offer the pickup and drop-off service if I can't make it down to the dealership myself.
It's sadly an inconvenience sometimes to take time off work to go get your vehicle, pick up the phone them, they will come to your place of employment, your home, pick up your vehicle and bring it back. And I mean, they have trustworthy people that do this.
Gan Chev makes it really easy to own a vehicle. We go almost anywhere to get a vehicle to make it easy for a customer. If somebody calls in for service, we have people on the phone that are able to help them right away. We don't have them go to a machine. We have 17 bays with licensed technicians. We have huge opportunity to get vehicles in and out in a timely manner. We supply loaner vehicles for customers while their vehicle's in. We really pride ourselves on getting vehicles fixed right the first time.
It's a repetitive thing that sticks in the back of my mind. So when I come down, I see the same staff. They look you in the eye, they're concerned about your vehicle, they're concerned about time for you, and they make you a priority.
All our service advisors have been here for a very long time. They're very experienced with the GM brand. People that want to be here to help you and enjoy being here to help you.
They were all smiling, they were all enthusiastic. It's a great feeling. It rubs off. You know, when you're buying a vehicle, it's probably the second largest expense you're going to have beyond a house, and they shared in that, and you could feel that. You had that sense of feeling that they were happy for you, that you were as excited as you were getting a vehicle.
We actually don't pressure our customers into buying cars. We consult. That to me is a huge differentiator for us. We also have a self-service kiosk which allows you to really easily drop off or pick up your vehicle after hours. Even pay your bill and get a full explanation on screen of what's been done to your car. The thing I love about this is it totally fits with our going the extra mile for our customers. Another thing is our extended test drives. You actually take a vehicle when your car's here for service, or even if you're just considering buying one, put it in your life for a day or even a couple days sometimes and really try it out. We hope you're never in an accident, but if you are, our CSN facility is probably one of the nicest in Eastern Ontario.
We made a commitment to build a premier facility where the investment's been made, the technology, the training, the warranty. We've attracted some real fantastic young talent. Just that recognized repair, very well respected in the industry with the insurance companies, which is very important. There's kind of no end to what we'll do to make sure the customer's taken care of.
The way we do things is definitely different than other places. Tires are something that not a lot of people think of the dealer for, but we do so many, our customers only think of us.
We're kind of the experts in the field of, you know, what rim fits what you can put specialty rims on. Tire pressure sensors is a big deal now. We do price match on tires. Our objective in the Gan Chev Parts Department is to have exactly what our customers want. GM brand on GM cars, always the best option. Price-wise, it's best value for your money. We have best product, best warranty. Also, as far as payment option goes, you can roll your accessories purchases into the payment of your vehicle. So accessories you buy, you can roll right into your payment. It's one-stop shopping for all your needs. We do offer storage solutions. We have over 1,000 sets of tires in stock that we store for customers. It's a service that we have. It makes it nice and easy for you. You don't have to worry about storing your tires in your own garage. You just come on in, we look after everything for you.
So if you have a problem with your car of any kind, or you need your car serviced in any way, we can do every single thing here, so our customers truly never have to go anywhere else.
There isn't a community event that Gan Chev isn't involved with in some way, that whether it be a vehicle on display, or their staff members volunteering, or a parade, or sponsorship, or a fair, a festival, a fundraiser, a food drive. Nothing really happens in this community without Gan Chev being involved in some way.
This is our home. These are our customers. These are people who come and buy vehicles from us, and by doing all of these local events, it's our way of saying thank you.